Funding pressures in money markets were elevated this week, and the effective federal funds rate rose above the top of its target range yesterday. While these issues are important for market functioning and market participants, they have no implications for the economy or the stance of monetary policy. This upward pressure emerged as funds flowed from the private sector to the Treasury to meet corporate tax payments and settle purchases of Treasury securities. To counter these pressures, we conducted overnight repurchase operations yesterday and again today. These temporary operations were effective in relieving funding pressures, and we expect the federal funds rate to move back into the target range. In addition, as we've done in the past, we made a technical adjustment to the interest rate paid on required and excess reserve balances, setting it 20 basis points below the top of the target range for the federal funds rate. In a related action, we also adjusted the rate on the overnight repurchase facility to 5 basis points below the bottom of the target range. We will continue to monitor market developments and will conduct operations as necessary to foster trading in the federal funds market at rates within the target range. Consistent with our decision earlier this year to continue to implement monetary policy in an ample reserves regime, we will, over time, provide a sufficient supply of reserves so that frequent operations are not required.